Hey everybody, this is Pokey. I have got a upward warning to give you guys. You see this little drone right here? This drone is from Walmart. Sell them online also, Amazon, eBay, and all that stuff. Comes with that little controller where you can hook your phone to it. But my kid just got me to tell me he had to put a fire out in the shop, so let him explain.
Well, I put my battery on the charger, and the smoke alarms went off in the shop, and then I had to go put it out with this fire extinguisher.
Okay, so what he's telling you is he has a lithium battery.
Lithium ion.
Lithium ion battery.
Not ion, iron.
Iron battery, I guess that's what it is. That, ooh, that's hot. That's still real hot. That blew up and burned. Now, look at this, how close this is to the wall of my shop. We do all our battery charging back here. So he charges in because it's true sine wave power, good quality. All these battery chargers work perfect. And this thing, it's the whole shop's smoky in here right now. Smoked up my shop, and this is still hot. This is the battery that went to it, and here's the wires.
They just fell off.
They just, yeah, melted off, it looks like. It smells like somebody burned a bucket of plastic in my shop right now. This here, oh shit, look at that. This here, that would have definitely continued to go. It was so hot that it was glowing red, he said when he came in here. Look at this. Damn, that's from a battery. So this is what you have to watch out for with this Chinese crap, these Sky Vipers. Yeah, I know no one else makes them but China. But this is a Sky Viper streaming video drone, 2400 HD, and a little bitty thing. The battery goes under there. There's the controller, and he's charged this thing about probably 20 times. And I will check here because I know that these are cheap. Plug's not melted any. And it's properly engaged. It has a groove on this side here, and there's the groove right there. You can see that it's properly plugged in, so no excuse for it all. And in fact, he's charged his cell phone on that, never had a problem. That's the all the stuff that came with it. So beware, Sky Viper can burn your house down. Not too safe. All right, just take that into your memory right there. Real nice, huh? That would have burnt my shop down if that would have got out of control. All righty.